looks gold-plated.
Yeah, it's furry claws. I love crab.
Ooh, says it all.
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to get a real taste of summer in the next few days, you're saying?
Yeah, starting tomorrow, 86, closer to the mid to upper 80s on Friday, and next week we climb into the 90s again. But today, close to average with a high of 79 degrees. Currently, we're still in the lower 70s at 72 in Central Park, and notice we have a lot of cloud cover around compared to what we saw earlier in the morning, but we will have more sun coming out later in the afternoon. So the 60s and the 70s, 71 in Belmar, Newark, you're up to 75, and 73 in Islip. It still feels comfortable because dew points are down into the low to mid 50s across most of the tri-state. But that changes tomorrow. We climb into the 60s, and that's when it starts to feel just more humid and steamy. And it's going to give us that higher real feel factor too when it comes to our temperatures that will climb into the 80s. On satellite and radar, skies are still quiet, but we do have more clouds popping up. Already noticing more sun trying to mix in across New Jersey. We'll see that trend continue for the rest of the tri-state. This is why we have high pressure off to the west that will continue to settle in as well, giving us more sun. Futurecast reflecting that as clouds will continue to clear, and then overnight clear to partly cloudy. Tomorrow morning waking up to quiet skies, and we stay mainly sunny throughout the day on Thursday with high temperatures climbing into the low to mid 80s, and we get closer to the mid to upper 80s on Friday. But we'll also have some big changes Friday too, thanks to a cold front. Ahead of that front, temperatures will soar to near 90 degrees across portions of northeast New Jersey. We could see a spot shower popping up Friday afternoon, but right now most of the rain and storms will form late Friday afternoon through Friday evening. Our in-house model trending a little bit later with the timing. We'll let you know if that continues as we head into tomorrow, but most of the activity the second half of Friday. And with all that unstable air in place that could help to fuel a severe storm, we do have a slight risk for severe weather. That's level 2 out of 5, and that includes spots that are mainly north and west of New York City. The main concern with any of those stronger storms will be damaging winds and also up to quarter-size hail. We also could have some downpours too, so rainfall totals, once all is said and done, will range between 1/4 of an inch to an inch. Some isolated areas could have heavier amounts. But today, quiet, a mixture of clouds and sun near 79. The humidity stays low. Tonight, dropping down to 65. And then look at tomorrow, 86 degrees and turning more humid. We have an AccuWeather alert on Friday due to that threat for severe weather. And then this weekend, just really nice weather. We'll have a drop in the moisture. Temperatures near 80 degrees. Next week, 85 Monday. And then look at Tuesday, near 90 degrees.
Wow. Daddies are happy. Thank you, Brittany.
Next year on Eyewitness News at noon, taking a vacation will soon be easier for people on Long Island. The major airline expanding service from a local airport to Florida.